right, next up what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at privilege control for servers, but this time what we're going to do is we are going to elevate an entire desktop, because you may have an administrator that's going into a server that needs to have full admin rights, or a developer that needs to have full admin rights on a server, but you do not want to have them having it all the time. So what they're going to do is they're going to come into a server like I'm getting ready to do. They're going to put in their username. They're going to put in their password. And I did that on the fly there, so hopefully I did that right. If not, I will re-enter it, but I think I nailed it there. So next up, we're going to take a look at our MFA challenge. So we're going to be prompted here. We can get prompted for any MFA. We can take a look here. These are the ones we have configured for this, but then we're going to do our challenge. We'll get our code here in a moment. And we have our code. All right, so we're going to pop that in here into our MFA. Then next up, we're going to take a look at a few elements here. So we have our desktop. We're back in here on a session that we were in earlier. You can see here that everything is no at this point in time, all right, except for one that I've elevated earlier for a particular application that I was needing to run. So that was Notepad. All right, but next up, what we're going to do is we're going to close out all of this, and then we're going to say, okay, well, that's great and all, but what we need here is, and you can see how the permission dropped off there. And so you can see now the next step here, we're going to come into, and we're going to elevate a desktop. And we do that by doing this move. Come in here. Come on. And we say, I need a new desktop. And again, we base it on the profile that the user has been assigned to with policies, okay? So policies are going to give us the capability to say the user logging in can be one of these, or you'd have custom policies that can direct them towards more specific applications that they can run and so forth. So we're going to pick, again, local admin. Take that one. We'll click OK. And it's going to prompt us for MFA again. I'm just going to pick, and along with just to show you some other examples here, security question. Pop that in there, put in my favorite color, and off we go. And next we'll see that we have a new desktop. We can see a new start icon down here on the bottom as well. And then we can come here, we can do task manager, and then we can look at details, and we can see that our session is now in an elevated state. So you can see that we are running as a local admin on this machine, whereas before I did the step up of the desktop elevation of privilege, these were no's. So wanted to display this, show this for you, and thank you for watching.